Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G10 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter the languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got English and Polish right now. So let's tap on add a language. And as you can see, we've just been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now is to simply find the language we'd like to set. I will pick the Netherlands, and we can choose the region. So simply tap on it. And as you can see, our newly chosen language immediately appears on this list, but the English is still a main one. So in order to set the language as the default one, we have to tap on it and hold it. And as you can see right now, we can move it. So let's drag it to the very first position and wait. And as you can see, it immediately actually changes, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So let me show it to you again. Let me get back to English. All you have to do is to simply tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position, because on the very first position we've got the main language. If you would like to remove the languages from this list, all you have to do is to simply tap on this three dots icon and tap on remove. Right now we can mark the languages we would like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. Let's tap on remove, and as you can see, they immediately disappear. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your NOKIA G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.